Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching TubeMint. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can create a hydrogen app with Shopify CLI 3. So let's get started. This is my command prompt, and let me quickly change this to desktop. And here I can simply create my Shopify Hydrogen application. This is a quick demo. If you have any issue, you can get in touch with me at this email address. So first of all, make sure you've got your Shopify CLI installed. This is again Shopify CLI 3. If you have 2, you can upgrade it. Irrespective of the operating system, the CLI works exactly the same way on every system. So we are going to run this hydrogen. You can see, so now to check all the options available under hydrogen, you can type H2. Okay, that's a shortcut for hydrogen. And or you can type hydrogen. See, it did not find it. We'll check what went wrong. Hydrogen. So you simply type hydrogen and let me check. So it will list all the hydrogen commands that you can run with Shopify CLI 3. You can see this is CLI 3.4.4. On my Windows, I've got Node.js 16.17. So these are commands that we can run. Okay, hydrogen generates a standard Shopify route. Okay, that's the route. We are going to init it. Okay, so create a new hydrogen front end, runs the hydrogen front end in Oxygen worker for development. Preview runs the hydrogen front end in an Oxygen worker for production. Okay, it's a shortcut. So hydrogen shortcut. Okay, that's what I was talking about. H2 shortcut for hydrogen CLI, but I have not created yet H2 command. So you can create that. I was initially talking about. So I'm going to clear it and then create one application. So hydrogen, sorry, Shopify, and then hydrogen init. That's all you have to run and mistype it, which is okay. So then you can run Shopify Hydrogen init to initiate the hydrogen application. Again, this is very slow. So it is chosen hello world. Okay, why so? It should not do that. So I'm looks like I've done something wrong here. So what I've done basically, I might have pressed enter and that's selected hello. Otherwise it gives you two options. Just go with the first one. It could be hello world. The second one is basically okay, so demo store. So we are going to choose the demo store language JavaScript. Here demo, let's just demo shop. So it is going to, okay, it just, you can see generated this, and info, what does it say, cd. So it just created it. So demo shop, then you change the directory to demo shop, and then I'm going to use yarn, okay, instead of npm, because it is a bit faster on my Windows system. So either you run npm install or yarn, it's the same thing. Okay, instead of typing npm run dev, you can simply say yarn run. So that's the benefit of having yarn installed. And now you can install yarn with simply typing npm-g install yarn, and it does install on your system, and you can start using yarn immediately. So this is going to take a bit longer to update everything. In the meanwhile, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show everything in here in Sublime Text. Guys, I use Sublime Text in certain cases because it's a bit faster. Okay, so you can go to ENB and change the public storefront API token, which you can generate with Shopify app. That's Hydrogen or Headless. So you can simply go to your store, log in, and look for Hydrogen app or Headless app. Both are built and published by Shopify, completely free. So you can simply install those applications, generate storefront API, update your storefront API, and then update your URL without HTTPS, okay, or without any hyphen slashes. Sorry, slashes. You can keep the hyphen if your store has. So it seems it has installed, but still working in the background. You can see it. So yeah, right. So it is faster. You can see. Hmm. Yes, Lid, why are you okay? You are throwing in a warning here. Okay, perfect. It doesn't take this longer on. Let's say you have a Linux or Mac. So this is where you need to update your store data, and everything is listed in here. Okay, so root JSX, components, hooks, routes. Okay, so generate creates a route for you, and these many routes are already created. So a lot of stuff here. Anyway, so and then we have styles, app.css, fonts, custom font css, entry client JS. This is the most minimalist you can have, and I noticed a lot of people are using it instead of using any kind of custom built for. Okay, so that's done, guys. Now I can go ahead and run the server. Okay, so I'm going to run server in here, yarn dev. You can get all the in package.json. You can see you can run dev, build, preview, lint, format check, etc. These are all the scripts that you can run that runs Shopify Hydrogen dev. You can also type Shopify Hydrogen dev instead of typing this yarn command. If you are more familiar with this, just say Shopify command. Shopify H2 if you already generated. So now I can go ahead and okay, open it, and you can see this is going to open, and it is way faster. So it could not render favicon on CO, but it is already there. Okay guys, so you can see this is why people prefer using this headless shop headless front end for Shopify, and that's the most minimalist build or front end headless shop or headless front end for a Shopify store. You can go ahead and generate, change the type, logo, etc., color, little bit of customization, and you can then deploy it on. There are multiple places you can deploy it for free. Some are paid as well if you need more control over it. So that's all for you guys. This is how you can generate your Hydrogen front end with Shopify CLI 3. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. Thank you for watching.